Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications on your HTC Desire 22 Pro. So to do this, first let's open up our Google Play Store. As right here we need to find an app called NotifyBuddy. You can download it for free. When it's ready, open it and move to the next step to grant 3 permissions to the app. Simply allow all of them. Last is battery optimization, and it's optional, so let's skip it. Right here we can enable any apps for a custom LED lamp notifications. So let's go for example with this one. In the system you can activate any system-bound apps. For active, you can see all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen. Now let's click on the test button and we can see the LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.